So here we are. It's a primary arm. It all looks quite pretty. I cleaned it up considerably and saw it working. There it is. My problem is this now. I don't have this quite lined up here. See how it doesn't quite line up with the motor. So that's not gonna work. So what I have to do is take this entire assembly off again, which I've done several times, and then re-weld this piece over here off, skewed just a little bit, about 1/4 of an inch I'd say is what's missing, and then I'll have this working again. But at least this part of it is pretty strong. You know, the bearings and everything, it's not weak when I go up and down. See, it doesn't give very much. Still kind of skewy. The whole thing's kind of skewy. This assembly here is skewed to the right. This assembly, these bars are skewed to the right. This one is skewed, cockeyed a little bit, so that this has to be cockeyed. And I've had to do this right here. And still, when I go up and down, it still isn't straight. It goes, when you look at it, it goes up a little bit, maybe 4 inches or so. And then when it goes to the other side, it goes up considerably, maybe a few inches. So, but I can compensate with software on that. So you can see I've had to re-weld that to try to get it straight, but it's still not quite right. So I got a lot of work to do, but generally speaking, it's almost done. All I got to do is just I'm going to take this piece here and just bend it to the right a little bit. I'll cut it and then re-weld it so that it gives me 1/4 of an inch here off the angle, so that it fits this angle. So this coupling right here will fit into it, and that should be it. Should be okay. We'll see if I can make it work.